can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Axie Infinity, up 27% over the last 1 week, up 197% over the last 1 month. How high could it possibly go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Right now, the vibes are down in the cryptocurrency market, but Axie Infinity is holding on strong, pumping to higher prices. Look at Axie Infinity performance against the US dollar, Axie Infinity performance against Ethereum. We also look at Axie Infinity's market cap, which currently sits around $435 million. How high can Axie Infinity go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Axie Infinity, currently trading around $2.62, has a 24-hour trading volume of more than $950 million. If you look at Axie Infinity's performance against the US dollar, it has pumped before. In 2021, this was one of the hottest altcoins to hold. We saw it pumping from as low as $0.15 when it started trading in November of 2020. And by the time the bull market ended in 2021, Axie Infinity was already up to as high as $158. A whooping 1,000, moving 1,000% move to the upside. That's what Axie Infinity did in just under a year. Crazy things can happen in the altcoin market. You just have to be positioned right. Now, because of this 1,000x move to the upside, a lot of market participants got sucked in, thinking the joy will continue, thinking the pump will continue to the moon. But then the crowd is always wrong at the extreme, and November 2021 ended up being the top for the bull market cycle of 2021. And since then, we have seen the cryptocurrency market dump to gobbling town. In the case, we have seen Axie Infinity go from as high as $160. We have seen it dump till it finally got to as low as $0.79. It got there in December of 2025. Right now, we see Axie Infinity pumping to the upside. Over the last few days, over the last few weeks, we have seen it start the year on a very bright note. It has gotten to the first critical point, going from as low as $0.79, pumping up to as high as $2.56. That's around a 225% move to the upside in a very short period of time. But remember, guys, these altcoins are very volatile. Yes, they can dump to gobbling town aggressively. In the case of Axie Infinity, we saw it losing around 99.51% of its value. But through that process, there were some pumps along the way. It was not just a straight down dump to gobbling town. We saw it here rally up by 200% before it continued its journey down to gobbling town. We also saw here it gave us a measly 100+% pump to the upside. But right now, a 200% pump and reaching critical resistance level, it looks like there's hope on the horizon for Axie Infinity. That $2.5 to $2.9 level is going to be very, very critical. If we can consolidate here and break above it, the next critical level to watch out for, guys, will be around the $10 to the $12 level. We saw Axie Infinity getting there in 2023 and early 2024, getting rejected there. That's going to be a crucial point for Axie Infinity in the coming days and the coming weeks. From where we're currently trading, for Axie Infinity to rally towards that $10 region, we're going to see more than a 300% pump to the upside. Know how volatile the altcoin markets can be? You never want to bet against altcoins pumping aggressively. These altcoins can move very, very fast, but only those market participants that are very, very bold to buy them when they are down bad, to buy them when they are crumbs, will enjoy those pumps to the upside. And even though Axie Infinity gets to that $10 level, guys, it will still be way off its all-time highs. It will still be down 93% from its all-time highs. The volatility in the altcoin market is very, very crazy. 1 second is pumping to the moon. The next second, you're dumping aggressively by 99% down to gobbling town. But that's what makes it fun, guys. We're trying to buy low. We're trying to sell high. We're trying to buy when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market. And when greed returns to the market, you want to sell for some sweet, sweet profit. And right now, there's fear in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, market participants are scared to the teeth. Crypto bros are running to buy altcoins. Crypto bros are not running to buy altcoins. They are running to buy silver. They are running to buy gold. They are running to the metaverse. Why? Because they are seeing a lot of metals going parabolic. But remember, crypto will always have its day in the sun. So your number one job is to go against the crowd, is to buy when there's fear and to sell when there's greed. And remember, volatility works in both ways. Yes, we're dumping to gobbling town right now, but but the pump to the moon is always around the corner. Can we get to all-time highs? There's always that possibility that Axie Infinity will go to all-time highs. The $73 level is going to be another critical level for it to cross above. From where we're currently trading, in an outrageous situation where we see a crazy pump to the upside, just crazy pumps, that will be around 28x from where we're currently trading. But remember guys, these pumps are very rare and not common. When they come, they will suck a lot of market participants in, and then we'll continue our sideways move. But one thing is sure, we're not going to dump straight down to zero. If you look at Axie Infinity performance against Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, similar performance to Axie Infinity against the US dollar. Against Ethereum, we've seen Axie Infinity dump aggressively to Goblin Town, losing around 99% of its value in the process. But before it dumped that 99%, there was a big pump where Axie Infinity outperformed Ethereum by more than 100x. The pump is always sweet, the dump is not always nice, but you make the money in the dump, and the other market participants, as retail investors, they get trapped in the pump. The best way is to buy these altcoins when they're down bad, so that when they start going parabolic, you can get some sweet profit. We've seen Axie Infinity over the last few weeks outperform Ethereum, up by 200%. The big one is Axie Infinity's market cap, guys. Very important to focus on the market cap, because a lot of times the US dollar price charts can be deceiving, because most times more tokens are coming into circulation after the first bull run. For Axie Infinity's market cap, we've seen it go from an all-time high of around $9 billion, almost $10 billion in November of 2021. We saw a dump to Goblin Town, losing around 98% of its value, dumping to a measly $138 million in market cap value. Right now, the market cap sits around $435 million. In the coming days and coming weeks, critical level, if Axie Infinity can cross this $438 to $450 million level, the next key level will be around the $1.5 billion level. We have seen Axie Infinity hit that resistance level multiple times. We got rejected there like 3 times as we're dumping to Goblin Town. That will be the next critical level to watch out for. From where we're currently trading now, Axie Infinity could easily rally up by 262% to get to that $1.5 billion level. And why it's very important to look at the market cap chart is that from where we're currently trading, for Axie Infinity to get to new all-time highs on its market cap chart that's back towards the $10 billion level, we need just around the 21x pump to the upside. But on the US dollar price chart, for it to get back to new all-time highs, we need more than a 20x pump to 28x pump to the upside. From the $2.5 trillion level, for Axie Infinity to get to new all-time highs, we need it to pump by more than 61x. That's 6,000%. That's very crazy. That's why you have to pay attention to the market cap, because most times as altcoin is dumping, most coins are coming to new coins are coming to circulation. You don't want to lose guard that. Fiercely in the cryptocurrency market, I expect to see some form of greed in the coming days and coming weeks. If you look at some key details about Axie Infinity, you'll notice that over time, more tokens have been coming to circulation, but I believe that in the coming days and coming weeks, things are going to turn positive for Axie Infinity holders. Axie Infinity has been outperforming Ethereum, outperforming Bitcoin, currently trading around $2.61. It has over 166,000 holders. Fully diluted market cap is sitting around $707 million. The all-time highs sits at very high at around $165. We are still down 98% from the all-time highs. If you want to get some for yourself, you can get some on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you waiting for altcoin season? Do you believe Axie Infinity will continue pumping to the moon? Can the market cap get to the $1.5 billion level, maybe to the $10 billion level? More importantly, when will you sell for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.